Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're showcasing the best air dusters for 2025 that stand out on Amazon for their top-notch quality. This list is curated based on factors like performance, popularity, affordability, durability, and user reviews. For more details, check the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Fulljion Compressed Air Duster. This is the Fulljion Compressed Air Duster, a versatile tool for cleaning electronics and more. It offers 3 speed settings reaching up to 51,000 RPM, making it powerful enough to tackle dust in tight spaces. With its compact size of 2.6 inches wide and 6.3 inches tall, it's lightweight and easy to handle. The 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery provides long-lasting performance, while fast charging ensures minimal downtime. An added LED light helps illuminate hard-to-reach areas, making it perfect for cleaning keyboards, cameras, and other delicate devices. Say goodbye to disposable canned air. This cordless, eco-friendly duster is reusable and efficient. A total of 8 pieces in the set means you get everything needed for effective cleaning. Number 2. ATEngeus Compressed Air Duster. Here's the ATEngeus Compressed Air Duster, a lightweight and eco-friendly cleaning tool. It features a stepless speed motor that lets you adjust the airflow to match your cleaning needs. With its compact design, measuring just 1.2 inches wide and 6.7 inches tall, it's extremely easy to handle. The device is powered by a 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery, offering long-lasting performance and supports Type-C fast charging for quick recharges. This cordless air blower is perfect for cleaning computer keyboards, delicate electronics, and even pet houses. Weighing just 420 grams, it's portable and highly efficient. The package includes 7 attachments, making it versatile for various tasks. Switch to this eco-friendly alternative and say goodbye to disposable air cans. Number 3. SDFM Electric Air Duster. The SDFM Electric Air Duster is a compact and powerful tool designed with a 130,000 RPM motor and 3 adjustable speed settings, perfect for cleaning your computer keyboards, car interiors, and even outdoor equipment. Weighing just 315 grams and measuring 3.6 inches wide by 5.6 inches high, it's lightweight and easy to handle, making it portable and convenient for everyday use. Unlike traditional canned air, this duster is a reusable and eco-friendly option, helping you save money and reduce waste. Its durable construction ensures it will last, making it a reliable choice for long-term use. If you're looking for a sustainable and powerful cleaning solution, the SDFM Electric Air Duster is definitely worth considering. Number 4. Sungod Compressed Air Duster. Tired of wasting money on canned air? Meet the Sungod Compressed Air Duster, the ultimate solution for replacing traditional air cans. This sleek rechargeable device packs a powerful punch with a 180,000 RPM motor and 3 adjustable gears, ensuring precision cleaning for your keyboard, PC, car, and other gadgets. Weighing only 306 grams, it's lightweight, portable, and easy to use. Despite its compact size, 3.9-inch W by 6.38 this air duster is a robust cleaning tool for tough tasks. The kit includes 11 versatile pieces, making it an all-in-one cleaning companion. Perfect as a practical gift for tech enthusiasts or DIYers, it combines efficiency and convenience. Click the link below to learn more or grab yours today. Number 5. Solareye Compressed Air Duster. Say goodbye to messy spaces with the Solareye Compressed Air Duster, your ultimate cleaning companion. Powered by a robust 180,000 RPM brushless motor, this cordless air blower offers 3 adjustable gear levels to tackle dust and debris effortlessly. Whether it's cleaning your keyboard, PC, car interior, or outdoor spaces, the X13US delivers precision and power in a compact, portable design. Weighing only 306 grams, it's lightweight and easy to handle, perfect for both home and professional use. Its rechargeable battery ensures eco-friendly, long-lasting performance, replacing traditional canned air solutions. Crafted by Solareye, a trusted name in innovation, this electric air duster redefines convenience. Click the link below to explore more and grab yours today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.